I'm gonna show you today how you can sign up and start using ChatGPT in very easy steps. First, you have to go to your browser or on your mobile, you go to openai.com. Okay, so you have to go to openai.com. That's the first step. You go down now, ChatGPT is below. Before it was put in here on the top. Now you can see it below. So you see here you can find ChatGPT. You click on try ChatGPT. Okay, so when you click on it, the system will tell you please stand by while you are checking your browser. So you have to wait. You are very excited. Here you have the first time you log in, you have to click on sign up. Okay, if you don't have any user created before, so click on sign up. And then now the email, you have to use the email. Put the email that you are going to use. I have created Embedded AI at Embedded AI 23 at gmail.com. This is just for this training today. I continue. The password, you have to put the password. Let's say I'm gonna put a at I at 0323 dot dot. Okay, I put this a password just to make sure. Continue. So it's easy steps. So you don't have much to do. Sometimes there will be certain validation that you have to do, that you are a human. If in case your browser behave sometimes wrongly. So now, or if sometimes there will be a lot of traffic. So you see here, it's verify your email. There was an email sent to, you can open Gmail or you can go here and you see I have a new email, OpenAI, verify your email. I click on it. So inside Gmail and I click on verify email address. Now ChatGPT, they did the validation. I put my name, Muhammad Barada. I put this AI just for this one. And the number here, you have to validate, you have to include or to register a phone number for such case. So for me, I will put a number that just for this example that I'm gonna use. Okay, so then, okay, so I click send code. I will receive a code. You're supposed to receive a code. I received the code. So immediately you put the code that you will receive on your mobile, 946, and ta-da, you are now inside. So the sign up is very easy. There will be a lot of people, they don't want to use it because they are afraid, how I do sign up, I don't know, or how much, how it's gonna be take time. Guys, it's very easy. You see, we signed up, we are inside ChatGPT. Now this is how it looks like. You can always use the dark mode if you don't want to put this black, or light mode. So all what you have to do is you can start chat with ChatGPT. So now once you are inside ChatGPT, it's very easy for you. It's now you can start talking to him. You can tell him hi. So ChatGPT will answer you. Hi, how can I help you? It's gonna be very user friendly. You can see that you will have like a chat experience. Hello, how can I assist you today? So it's very easy. You can just imagine what you can ask this chat GPT. I will show you an example of how you can. I would like, I will tell him I would like to work, to wake up early, okay? Work 8 hours. I want to learn new language. I want to do sports for 1 hour, and I want to sleep enough to have good energy the second day. Can you propose for me the best sample of a day? Let's see. So you will see that ChatGPT will take into consideration that you want to wake up early, you want to work for 8 hours, learn your new language, do sports, and want to sleep. So you will see the suggestion of ChatGPT for you will tell you when to wake up, Certainly. You see, that's a type of answers that you can get from ChatGPT. You see, it's amazing. 5 a.m. you wake up because you told them, I want to wake up early. So wake up, stretch, and drink a glass of water. 5:15, you can begin work. You can adjust the time based on your work schedule. So you see here it is. It was very promising to show, to ask you to start working at 5:15. Crazy. So you finish work at 1:15. You can start learning session at 2 p.m. At 3 p.m. you take a short break. Yeah. Then you can see the resume language learning session at 3:15. You can finish the language learning session at 4:15. Let's see what he will propose at 4:30. Start your 1 hour sports session. Wow, it is promising. You finish 5:30, take a shower. So at 6 p.m., have a dinner and relax for a bit. And 7, you went down for the evening. You can read a book. Oh, amazing. You see, this is how ChatGPT will propose for you. You can ask whatever you want. It's easy. We will see in other videos what type of prompt you can do. So today I just wanted to show you how easy you can just sign up and start using ChatGPT. If you have any question or you need any special things regarding ChatGPT, just put it down on the comment here on below this video, or you can always subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all future videos regarding ChatGPT. Let's see now how you can use ChatGPT in a way to have fun. Let's say, hello. You can always start without saying hello, but I just try to be friendly because just to get also the support of this chatbot. So, can you play with me TicTacToe? See, this ChatGPT is really amazing. Even it's not just prompting to answer your question, they can play with your game. Let's see. Yeah, I'd be happy to play TicTacToe with you. Do you want to go first? Would you like to go to start with X? Yeah, we say me first, and I will take X. So see what they will do. Here's the empty board. Amazing. I can't, guys, believe this. Go ahead and make your first move. All what you have to do is you put the X in number 1, 2, 3. So you can tell for example, 5. Okay, look. So I put here the X in number 5. So there will be another table. Good choice. You've placed your X in the center square. Is the updated board. Can you see how this is really, this chat GPT, amazing? So you can play tic-tac-toe, so you can have fun, you can learn, you can ask, you can do. So this is another type also of prompt that I wanted to show you today with this important video to see how you can sign up easily and start playing or asking ChatGPT questions. Thank you for watching.